Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-join Rally in Lots Mobile. To do so, you first need to launch your Lots Mobile app on your device. Once you've done that, tap on the guild icon which is on the bottom of your screen, like so. And once you're in a guild homepage, tap on this icon right here, which will take you to Rally Battle. And click on this icon right next to Rally Battle, like so. And here you'll see this option called Auto Join Rallies. Tap on Activate and you'll be able to auto join Rally in Lots Mobile. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!